In this video, I'll detail how to turn off focus mode on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and the focus mode is enabled, like you have mine, I have this moon icon here at the top left indicating that my iPhone focus mode is enabled. Then if you also lock your iPhone screen, you're going to see the focus mode name on the lock screen. Like you can see, I have do not disturb. Now this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable this. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off focus mode on iPhone or on your iPhone, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center like this, then locate the focus option or do not disturb. If you see focus or do not disturb, they're similar, then go ahead and click on this moon icon to disable it. That's going to turn off the focus mode. And if while clicking on the moon icon the focus mode is not turned off, click on do not disturb itself, and then you're going to see the menu like this. And once you see all the menu like this, click on it like that, and that is going to turn off the focus mode on your iPhone. So this doesn't matter whether your focus mode is on sleep mode or on your predefined mode. So just select the focus mode you want to turn off on your iPhone, and that is going to turn it off. So that is basically how you can turn off focus mode on iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.